Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Mitsubishi Lancer, stock number 6597. It's run from the 7th 2007 to the 12th 2017. It has a 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, instrument cluster,